Alrighty, so ladies and gentlemen, today is the day we're getting rid of this wooden trim. We will be wrapping it in piano black wrap, so without further ado, let's remove these, and the side panels and get to wrapping. So this is the final result. It looks pretty cool in my opinion, especially with the blacked out roof, sides and interior overall, so looking clean. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you soon in the next ones, and if you need any modding parts for your BMW, check out the link in the description for www.bmwmods.com. See you guys.